So in this video, we'll see how to download a Java development kit, that is a JDK, in your PC or your desktop. So open your respective browser that you're using, and then in the search bar, type Java download. Once you click on Java download, you can see this page popping up. Here, click on the second link, that is the Oracle link which is provided. So when you click on this link, you'll be redirected to this page. In this page, you can see you have options to download it for Linux, for Mac OS, and for Windows. Now we are downloading a JDK kit for Windows. So click on Windows, and then you can see this third link which is present here. That is a 64-bit MSI installer. Click on this third link. So right after you click on this third link, you can see that the download started. Let's wait for the download to complete. So now when the download is done, click here and click on open. Let's minimize this. So you'll get a pop-up on your screen asking if this particular software can make changes on your hardware. Click yes. So you can see the thing is getting installed, JDK is getting installed. Click next here, and here you can make sure you can change the path of your JDK that you're downloading. If you want to change it, click on change here, and then you can change it here. I don't want to change it, so I want it to be in my program files. So click on next. So you can see that the JDK kit is getting downloaded. So I get another pop-up asking if you want this app to make changes to your device. Click yes again. So now you can see this Java Development Kit 20 has been successfully installed in our system. Close this. Now we should make sure that we are setting the environmental variables right. So go to your search and then click environment variable. So here you can see this popping up. Edit the system environment variables. Click on this and open it. So you can see this particular window pop up. Here in advanced settings, you can click on environment variables. After clicking on environment variables, in the system variables side, search for a particular line called path. So now here you can see this path. Click on path and then click on edit. So let this be here. So we know that where we have downloaded our JDK. So it is in my C drive program files. So here I can see the Java folder that got created. Click on this. Click on this JDK 20 and click on bin. So you should copy this file location. So you can copy it from here. Copy it with the bin. Minimize the screen. Click new here and add it here with the bin. Once you add it, click OK. After you click OK, click on new here. In new, give the variable name. So you can name it anything. I'm naming it Java now. Here for variable value, copy the path again here, but make sure you remove the bin here. So let's remove the bin from here and then click OK. Click OK. And that's pretty much it. Java JDK is downloaded in your laptop now. You can try running in any of the platforms you want. It can run successfully. If you have any doubts in this procedure, make sure you drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video.